Hello guys, welcome to Passivearn and also welcome to Facebook Ads Mastery course. In this video, I will show you how to create a brand Facebook page. I hope most of you guys know that how to create a Facebook page, but I think still there are some people who don't know it. That's why I am creating this video how to create a Facebook page. So let's begin. If you know how to create Facebook page, you can skip this video and you can go to the next video. The playlist link of Facebook Ads Mastery course will be given in the description of this video. At first, go to facebook.com/pages. After that, click on Create New Page. Here at first give a name. Suppose the name of the page is Passivearn blog. Give a category. Suppose the category is social media agency. You can give multiple category, but it will show the first category only, such as fan page. You can give any category depending on your niche and write a good description here. Suppose I am writing and the character limit must be within 255 characters, so make sure that your description is less than 255 characters. After giving name, category and description, click on create page. After that, upload a profile picture and a cover photo in the page. Profile picture will be in this area and cover photo will be in this area. Now, how to create a professional looking cover photo, I will show you it right now. Go to www.passivearn.com/canva. Canva is a free tool. You can make a plenty amount of professional looking designs in this Canva. If you don't have already account, you can create an account by clicking here sign up, and you can sign up using Facebook, Google or with your email. I have account, so I'm not creating account again. I'll just log in. After login, click on create a design and here search Facebook cover and click on this Facebook cover option. There are plenty of pre-made template guys, and these templates are amazing. Just suppose I'm taking this template, just click on the template that you like and you can edit any writings and any image from here. Suppose I will write here if you want to change color, you can change color. Maybe this one. I think black is good, and I will change make money online color also. Maybe this one. You can do a lot of things in Canva, so it's highly recommended guys to use Canva. You can use its free plan and pro plan. Pro plan is only $119 per year. It's only 12.99 USD. So you can use the free plan or the pro plan depending on your need. To enter in the website, just type www.passivearn.com/canva. It's a affiliate link. If you buy through this link, I will get a small commission from here. Anyway, our design is done, and after finishing our design, just click on download and from here download. In the same way, to create the logo for your Facebook page, just type here Facebook logo. and there are a lot of logo. You can use any one of that, and I will change the text from here. Suppose this is my logo, and just click on download. After that, click on download. Our cover photo and logo has been created. After that, go to your Facebook and then click on add profile picture and select your cover photo. You can drag your cover photo from here if need, but in my case I don't need. After uploading your profile picture and cover photo, click on save. Our Facebook page has been created, guys. You can add your WhatsApp number here if you want, but I don't want to, so I will not add it. I am clicking on the cross button. After that, we have to set up. To setting up, at first click on add action button. You can have a lot of option here. Depending on your industry, you can add any option here. I want to send people to my website. That's why I will choose sign up, and then I'll give the link of my website here. And then click on save. After that, go to setting and click on page info. You can change any page info from here. You can add your email here. You can add your website here. Suppose I will add my website here and I will add my email here. You can add your address here. Suppose this is the location. You can add your city, your postcode if you want. And if your page does not have a location, you must click on this option. After that, you can add your service area here. Suppose I will add. After that, select your hours depending on your industry and your business. In my case, it's always open. Give your privacy policy here. How to give your privacy policy? You must have a website and your website must have a privacy policy. Just give the link of your website's privacy policy here. I am entering in the privacy policy of www.pesivan.com. I will copy the link and then paste it here. This is the privacy policy. After that, you can write Impressium here, products and additional information here, but it's not mandatory. You can write if you want. I'm not writing right now. After that, set your price range. I'll set it moderate. You can set depending on your industry and business. After that, you can link your accounts here. Suppose I can add Instagram. Just give the Instagram account username here. You can add any other Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitch, WhatsApp and so many other platform here. If you want, you can add. I'm not going to add my any other social account here because this is not my official Facebook page. After that, go to templates and tabs. From here, there are some templates. Suppose this is for business template. This is for services template. Right now, my template is services template, Venus template, non-profit template, politician template, public figures template, restaurant and cafes template, shopping template, video page template, standard template. So depending on your business, you can set any template from here, and just by clicking here you can see what options available in the template. I'm keeping it as service as it is, and after selecting it you can change the options that you have. Suppose I do not want to keep this services option in my website. If I go to my Facebook page right now, you can see that there is a services option here. Now if I untick it and then now if I reload my Facebook page, you will see the services option will be vanished. See, there is no services option here. Similarly, you can change the decoration of these options from here. Suppose you want shop in the second position and review in the third position. From here, just drag and drop your shop in the position you want. After that, reload it. You will see that shop will be in the second position and reviews in the third position. In this way, you will set up your Facebook page. If you want to add any admin to your Facebook page, just go to page roles. Type the person's name who you want to make admin or editor, moderator, advertiser or analyst of your Facebook page. Type his name and select his role and then click on add. I'm not adding right now. Now if you want to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page, just click on Instagram. To add your Instagram account with your Facebook page, just click on connect account and then do the procedure that it will say. By reading this description, you can do it by yourself. So using this option, connect your Instagram account with your page. After that, we have another thing to do, and it is to set up our username. And to set up our username, just click here and then give your username. It's available. Click on create username and then it will be created if this page has at least 25 likes. As my page is totally new and it don't have any like right now, so I'm not able to set up username right now, but after getting 25 likes in your Facebook page, just click here and set a username for your Facebook page. So these are the tutorial guys, how to set up a brand new Facebook page for your business. If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe the channel and comment below what are you thinking about this video. Thank you so much and visit our website www.pesiban.com.